Diabetics suffer from high levels of blood sugar, which can be either because the body does not produce sufficient insulin or if the cells stop responding to the insulin produced by the body. Onions may have a hypoglycemic effect for people with diabetes. The sulfur compounds in onions, namely S-methylcysteine and the flavonoid quercetin, may be responsible for the effects on blood sugar. Onions with lemon is a perfect combination for people with diabetes. Onion and lemon both may help diabetes to cure naturally. Lemons are rich in antioxidant vitamin C. The vitamin C is essential for making collagen, which helps keep the arteries smooth and pliable. Lemons are included in the list of superfoods that should be a part of your diet according to the American Diabetes Association. 1. Onion and lemon broth. Squeeze the juice of a grated onion through a thin cloth. Mix the juice with the lemon juice. Drink this twice a day. Test your blood sugar and cholesterol levels regularly to see how you are doing. 2. Garlic. Garlic has many and varied benefits. Recent studies have shown that garlic can increase insulin production, a hormone that turns glucose into energy and controls type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, consuming large quantities of raw garlic reduces blood sugar levels. How to use garlic? In order to benefit from garlic, you need to eat raw garlic regularly. Warmed up garlic loses most of its beneficial properties. You should consume from 500 milligrams to 1000 milligrams of garlic a day, which adds up to 1 or 2 fresh raw garlic cloves. Another alternative would be drinking garlic water. Pour 200 milliliters of water in a cup and add 1 minced clove of garlic. Let it sit for some time so that the garlic's properties can be absorbed into the water, and drink it throughout the day. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.